Bongo. My guy.
Maga.
Welcome, Abeg.
Come
on, I dey fine.
I do.
My baby road dey come. Eh?
Okay.
I need you hear me with condom.
Condom. I know they use condom. Raw. I know they use condom. Express. Direct. Yeah. I know they use condom. Steam to steam.
Boy, you go careful. You go sickness plenty.
On the same person. Bros. Just all these games.
I know what to do.
Okay.
Hello, babe.
Yes, are you on your way already?
Yes, I'm coming.
Okay. Before you enter cab or bike, check around you. Is there any chemist around you?
There's one here.
Please enter the chemist.
Babe, are you okay?
I'm fine. Just enter the chemist first now.
Babe, I have Panadol here in case you have headache.
No, I don't have headache. Just enter the chemist first. Give the chemist guy the phone. I want to consult him man to man.
Babe, I have body pain drugs. You know I carry medicine about.
But you know they pay me, babe. Just do as I say. Just give him the phone. Let me talk to him man to man.
Alright.
Yeah, thank you, please. No, don't cut the call until you give him.
Alright, babe. I'm inside the pharmacy. Sir, my boyfriend wants to talk to you. My boyfriend.
Your boyfriend? Okay. Yeah, hello, good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon. Are you the person selling drugs in the chemist?
Yes, I'm the doctor here.
Please, she's small and she's we have privacy. I want to talk to you man to man, I beg.
Hope there's no problem, sir. No, it's not a loudspeaker, sir.
See, you go help me, I beg. You say na man you be. Nobody they know where help they come from. Nobody know if he help person. Me and you know that today we know for the first time. You know, you will help me wrap 2 condom. I beg. If possible, put them for Panadol pack. Panadol where they don't say, put them Panadol pack or malaria pack, anyone. Then seal them where. Make sure no feel your right prescription. Just do like say you write prescription. You know, like guy, you give her. Make she carry come give me.
Alright, no problem. I'll do just that.
Yes.
Alright, thank you.
Yes.
Okay, so once I do it, I'll write the prescription on it, okay?
Yes, thank you.
Don't worry, sir, you'll be fine. You'll be fine. You know the stress this period, you'll be fine, okay? Just take your drugs properly, okay? Take 2 in the morning, 2 in the afternoon, 2 in the night, okay? Then if the system persists, you can come and see me.
Guy, once you go and just send me your answer, I beg. Thank you,
Madam, please, can you just sit down, okay?
Alright.
Just give me a minute, okay? Thank you.
Power of God shall destroy you wherever you are.
You'll be fine, okay? Yeah, you know, this period, stress, men are going through a lot. The climate change affects the psychological. Alright, madam, come. I'm done. Come. Alright? So this is the prescriptions, 2 in the morning, 2 in the afternoon, 2 at night. Always encourage that midnight dosage.
Okay.
Thank you. Alright. Make sure you don't open it, okay? So that it will not expire.
Yes, sir.
Alright, you're welcome.
How much is it?
Just 1,000 naira.
Oh. Yeah.
Oh, alright. Thank you very much.
Bye.
Alright, take care.
Thank you, sir.
Have a great day. Don't open.
Okay.
It's for the sick person only. Thank you. Chibuzo.
Hello, babe. Where are you now? I thought you were outside my kids.
I'm sorry, I cannot make it again.
Are you playing? What type of playing is this?
You remember my auntie I told you about? She's sick.
Babe, God that I've kept your auntie from January till now. Still keep her alive, babe. Just come now. Let me come. Both of us cannot go to your auntie.
Don't worry, I've given Ryder your drugs. Hey! Don't forget what the pharmacist said though. He said 2 in the morning, 2 in the afternoon, 2 in the evening. And when the symptoms persist, take extra 2 at night. Don't worry, I'll make it up. I love you. Kisses.